My name's Bodean. I'm gonna go kill somebody. We're out in the field right now. Misty Rain just touched poop. Poo. Her dog pooed on me. I can smell it. It's like touching my boob. I'm sorry. I'll dig up some corn that I buried out here long time ago. And they'll find some buried treasure from the time of Abe Lincoln. Really? For real, girl. I was watching BET the other day. We have that channel now? Yeah. Brother Earl went up on the roof and he plugged in that little cable thing and he turned it all around and I was like, oh my God, look at the black people. And then he's like, oh sister, you're not gonna believe it. And I was like, shoot. Sweet niblets. Sweet niblets. Oops. I tore up my daddy's big old cabbages. He's gonna be real mad. Where's that? Dang it. Whoops. Like a unicorn. It's gonna take me on a ride to the magical palace. And I'm gonna eat some blueberries. Blueberries. Oops. Oops. We're gonna run. We're gonna run. You gonna run? We're gonna run. Am I running too? Yeah? No. You wanna run? Do I wanna run? What? There's an eagle out there. I don't see no eagle. No. That's an eagle from the UK. Because that's a national bird. UK? USA. USA? For United States of Arabia. I mean America. We're from America. Get the thing zoomed off my face. Sorry. Don't want it in my face. I'm finding out how to use technology now. Now it's not like Beavis and Butthead out here, okay? How you doing? I'm gonna find something in the ground. Oh yeah? Okay. What should I dig up? Your mom. My mama? I heard Daddy buried him out there over there. What? He said she was the biggest turd he ever did put down. That's disgusting. But you know Mama, she was pretty darn big. She said, the more you eat, the better you'll feel. Now eat your green beans. What? Bigger you get. I remember she used to think Bodean was the tiniest little thing in the world and that Bodean was never going to get big or grow tall. But Bodean proved Mama wrong. I sure as hell. Bodean, this ain't no strip club. Huh? What are we gonna make for dinner tonight? Raccoon pie. Raccoon? Mama's favorite. Okay. She's gonna come back and she's gonna smell that coon and she's gonna be like, what's our smell? They killed the coon. Killed the coon on Coon Hunter's Road. Let's be hunt coons and kill them coons. Cool coons. We need Disney Channel so we can watch Miley Cyrus. You're so funny. Sweet niblet, sweet niblet. Oh snap. And then she said, sweet niblets. Huh? She said goodbye. Bye.